Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log out of your Venue app. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open the Venue application on your mobile device, and from the main homepage, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the gear button at the top right from your profile page, and under settings, select Log Out. Confirm whether you would like to log out by tapping on Log Out one more time, and you will then be able to log out of Venue application. To log in back again, you will need to enter your correct credentials, that is your email and your password, and there should be no problem logging in back to the Venue app. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.